Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use sound equalizer of your Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. To do this you have to select them in the application and then click on the equalizer. Next we can find this sliders right here, so we can move it up and down to decrease or increase the values from the bass, mid and treble. You are also able to click right here on the pencil where you are able to name this equalizer preset. Let's leave the classical name, but when you tap on this place we are able to find other presets. So as you can see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different presets. You are also able to create your own by tapping right here. If you want to remove any of the presets that appears on the list, you can just click on the trash icon and then click yes. So that's how it looks. Hope you like it.